My name is Evangelina. I'm on the BA Acting and I'm originally from Wolverton, Milton Keynes. In first year, you go straight into fundamentals of voice, movement, acting, ensemble, play, and that goes from like animal studies to abstract movement to poetry to voice fundamentals to dance. And then you go into second year, and second year is a lot more industry focused, a lot more project heavy. You have lots of Q&As, lots of meetings with casting directors, with agents. You begin to touch work on Shakespeare and actually showing like works to the rest of the school. And then the third year, it's purely you are working on show to show to show to show to show. And we've done, I think, like 4 stage performances, 1 screen and 1 self-led work as well. And it's that sense of working together to achieve something. And I think Guildhall's very big at allowing you to explore your own voice in terms of, okay, what do I really want to say? What stories do I really want to do? And how do I go about doing that? We worked with a director called Lindsay Turner, and that was incredible just to get her insight into this work and her just brutally honest, brutally like, just do it where you're coming from, just do it, experiment, get it wrong, because next time you're gonna get it right. Because of the high-paced, high intensity, high emotion environment, it takes a couple of months to settle into, but once you're settled into it, it really expands your mind, it opens up everything for you, and then you really get into that flow state of creativity. And that, I think, is something that's so extremely special.